Akari, what should I get?
What are you feeling?
I don't know.
Oh, look at this. Is this black cod, I think?
Looks like it.
Butterfish?
With ambagu and the gyoza?
Yeah.
Wow.
Bang for your buck.
Karaage?
You don't want this because it's mackerel.
Mackerel, no.
Yeah.
No, I don't even want a single mackerel of mackerel. What are you guys getting?
I'll get an onigiri or a hinari.
You want this?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks perfect. I'll love to eat that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you getting? Onigiri. No onigiri.
Onigiri.
Or should I get a sandwich? I don't want a sandwich. A spam katsu sandwich? Maybe I'll get sandwich instead. Okay. All right, we got to go there, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do a sando selection. Oh, you got a strawberry sandwich?
I did.
Okay. We are on a train going from Kyoto to Tokyo.
A bullet train.
A bullet train, yeah, a Shinkansen. And we got some food.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Do you want some?
Boy, do I.
Yeah.
Even by Japanese standards, I haven't seen Japanese people use this much hand sanitizer.
I mean, I don't think every Japanese person does it. But like, you know.
What flavor's that?
It's a salad.
Salad flavor.
It's my favorite.
I remember the first time I came to Japan being shocked at how timely the trains are. Shrimp or musubi?
Yeah, shrimp tempura.
When Alicia was little,
Yeah.
we called shrimp, like we only called them shrompers at home. So she didn't know the word shrimp. She just thought they were called shrompers. And so when she went to kindergarten, she said something about shrompers, and all her friends were like, "What? You know, like shrompers?" And they're like, "No, those are shrimp." And Alicia came home. She's like, "Papa, like, all my friends said that they're called shrimp, but they're not. They're called shrompers."
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is super adorable.
I was hoping it would last longer in her life than this went out.
Good.
Yeah.
Would you like one?
I thought you weren't sharing.
No, I'll share with you as long as I don't have to like eat anything that you've bitten, you know?
Do you want some sandwich?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I have my fruit sandwich.
Wait, yesterday we were talking about cold fried foods. Cold fried foods is a thing, right? I mean, especially in Japan, I feel like.
Yeah, that's true.
Like eating, like bentos are always just kind of like room temperature. Have you been up Mount Fuji?
I think that you overestimate my physical ability.
No, but you've been to Japan a lot more than I have.
I hiked around Mount Fuji with my partner. It was fun.
I think Japan has perfected sandwich bread.
Oh, really?
As far as like sliced soft bread goes, like there's nothing better than a shokoban.
I agree with that. That's one thing we can agree on.
Is there good shokoban in Hawaii? Like, did you have shokoban growing up?
There used to be this bakery called Fujipan, but it was pretty good.
There's Fuji bakeries in Seattle. Seattle.
Is it the same one though?
I don't know, but my grandmother always had shokoban. My grandmother lived on 9J. We lived on 10J.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it was nice. We would they would get one Japanese shimbun, and we would pass it up and down with a bag with a rope.
That's really
on the
cute.
windows. One of us would pass down the newspaper, and my grandmother would take it, and then she'd like always leave like a $1 or something in there. So we would fight over who'd get to do it. We would do a sleepover and like sleep on a futon in the living room. But then we would always have shokoban with like salted butter in the mornings.
That sounds nice.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, I love that bread.
Mm-hmm.
But growing up, we often had like very healthy bread, so.
Like King's Hawaiian rolls?
No, that's like definitely not healthy.
Did your mom make kare, like curry? Did she or does anyone you know ever make it from scratch? Or did she use the blocks?
The only person I know who makes it from scratch is my friend Lynn.
So your mom would use the roux blocks. What brand?
Yeah, House is a different
There's House, Golden, and Vermont.
I feel like there wasn't like a specific brand, you know? What about you?
I'm not sure what brand. I think it was Golden also.
Well, we didn't talk
What about
the food.
Calpis? Did you have Calpis growing up?
I wasn't really like allowed to.
This was also like a thing that it was like a treat at my grandmother's house. Oh, so it's like a yogurt drink, right? #1 soft drink in Japan. The old stuff had this quality where I think like the milk protein in it like would kind of clump up in some way. Like it sounds gross, but it would like clump up, so you'd end up with these like little white things that look like it looks kind of like yuba, you know, like it looks like the skin that forms, and that's it's a very distinct taste memory that I enjoy that Calpis just doesn't have anymore.
I feel like maybe you were unique in enjoying that.
How is this salad flavored?
I don't know, but it's delicious. It's my favorite. I always loved it since I was a kid.
What is that unique packaging? What is that for?
Because then you can put it.
Oh, you can stand it up?
You should have filmed the camera first.
Oh yeah, push and pull. Push. Wait, what's gonna happen when I pull this? Is it just supposed to rip?
Too much. You were supposed to do it to that line.
Oh, just like that? And then what? Oh, I see. And then you can do like that. That doesn't seem very stable.
And you probably just like lie it flat. And then it's an angle.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Didn't you go to MIT?
I did. Yeah. I even wanted to be an industrial designer at some point. But
Did you really? Mm-hmm. Is that why you majored in architecture?
well, I was majoring in architecture, and then I was like, industrial design is pretty cool. And I wanted to do that, but then wasn't for me.
We didn't talk about the food like at all. But you didn't describe your sandwich.
It's good. Real good. That tastes good. It's good. It's a good strawberry. Very good. They're pretty good. Good. Cucumber. That's good. Really good. That's good pork. Tastes good. One's good.
Do you want to get?
Good. And a good orange. Oh, that was good.
Not
Those
too
are
sweet.
good. Yeah, the tempura's good. Good grilled flavor. It's pretty good also. Oh, that's good.
So
And
it's
it's
like-
real good. It's good, right?
This is very good.
Yeah. No, Japanese sandwiches are good. You know, they're.
Oh, you talked about the bread.
Do people in Japan, can you use toothpicks publicly, or can you?
I think like this would be ideal, probably.
Okay.
Do I get to sit next to Erin now? Just kidding.
Yes. Erin and I can swap. And
渡さないで言えばった
all right. Good talk to Kari. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Head over to KenjiLópez-Alt.com. There you can find links to join my Patreon. There's various tiers with different perks, but that's where you're gonna find all of my printed recipes. Most of them are for free. You'll also get access to special perks like new product releases, early access to things, live streams, AMAs. At KenjiLópez-Alt.com, you'll also find my shop where you'll find all of my books. You can get them signed and personalized, shipped anywhere in the world, as well as my products and product collaborations. You'll also find live event listings there. I do live events sometimes, and I'd love to see you come by. All right, see you later.